Manchumburgeria tugosaba kwabira gwa somo chando yo bwe riogi tokogendera soko komanya hegati Abarai Korwa se bunge ya county ya Kisii nige margoba ya lero baesokia na Komorera yo kabiro mu waziri mukuru mheshimiwa Raila Odinga huyo sirobugi mabwaye emambi ya lero bakorwa mo no mukonyi Abarai bwa barabaka se bunge yo mheshimiwa Dennis Ombachi niganya reko baga komotogia muske Raila sokurandra magendro ndemone nsemo yechipara insekyo ya kera kunyara ko bagi kubwato ko gocha se serikali chechi county asensemo yende omwMC mochore Lilian Gor nigonere ha motogiri umuske Raila sokurwandra anemono chibesa chikiganja kya NGCDF kurwa se serikali nene kunyana ko bagi kubwato ko gocha se serikali chechi county na bwo chibunge kwene kya amagendra ko gendra senchirengia muri kito Bethwel Machini agotumanyia senchira yoboikiran
magega yechiripoti gwatika na nigo oyo kabiro mo prime minister mokoro Raila Odinga asirobi mabwa ime yensemo ye ense ya India nigomono egati yabari aho bagenzi kwenda na engora yabo gucyase amate egati yabo MCA kura ebunge ye county ya Kisii nigobesokire na kurengora yabo asogusira ko mu prime minister mokoro Raila Odinga gukwana emargoba yelchikoria rero bakorawa no murayibwa barabaka sebunge yo nabigo mu MCA bwodi ya marani muske Dennis Ombachi nigo amwenyero Raila nigo areta mangana yechipara inse ya kera gochicha aschi county nabigo ekigancha gya CDF kura serikali nene gochicha sechi county.
Odinga is a man who has influenced a lot of things in Kenya. He has fought so much for the space of democracy in this country, and particularly the devolution we enjoy. I remember he has worked very much about it. He has been a fanatic of devolution. He's pushed for it, and the last thing was to push more money from the nation, from parliament, members of parliament, to come to the counties, especially the rural roads, and that is Kera and Kura. He's been a proponent of more resources coming to the counties, and that is one of the best things that he has been pushing that constituency development fund is an illegality. I know he was pushing it to come to the world level. We shall miss him, and because he is a man who has really traversed this continent for the better part of his life, and is a man who has done very good for this country.
Waigo mwemsio mochora Lilian God nigo amwenyero Raila Odinga asokoreta manganechi county asabigo anyakobaga kumonyera asokoreta okobao kwebya mebinke gose multipartyism.
We will live to remember the good things he has done. I served in the county assembly because of the Majimbo dream that he once had. Devolution and self-governance was a story that constantly and consistently he pursued. And we, as members of the county assembly, celebrate him for that. We also celebrate him for the fact that he was part of the team that participated in repealing of Section 2A, particularly the session that led to multipartyism. I'm a member of Kenya National Congress. Before that, such parties could not openly hold their elections and could not boldly speak about what they believe in. So, about multipartyism, and the latest is about, I remember a Gen Z telling Raila, stay back home, you have handed over that baton. That's a very painful moment that I will not forget.
Nigobono Abarai yabo batumire ngora yabo yabene gucyase amate ne family yomugaka Raila Odinga.
It is with a very heavy heart that we receive the news of the passing on of our enigma, our leader, our Jacom, and our Baba. We feel shivers and we are extremely hurt with this loss. Allow me to send sincere condolences to Ida, Winnie, Rosemary, and Raila Jr., and the rest of the Kenyan family and the big fraternity. Even, in fact, Africa at large, because Africa has lost a Pan-Africanist, and it is a gap that we do not foresee anybody filling anytime soon.
Kuripoteria Soko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Chempethuel Machin.